Ilios stands for, in the Greek language, it's the name of the sun. In the ancient times it was the god of the sun with the name Ilios. Ilios was built in Tuzla, Istanbul, and launched in 2013. Designed by famous Turkish naval architect Tanju Kalacioğlu and built by Ahmet Keskin, a very famous boat builder in the wood boat building as well in Turkey. She's a high performance ketch, this is how they call her, built out of mahogany wood in a way that you call cold mold epoxy. We have two mainsails, two head sails, and an extra huge, they call it Jenica, on a furling drum. It's actually all new this year. Her top speed until now has been 14.8 knots, and we would definitely like to break that in the near future. Ilios can accommodate up to 8 people. Plus 2 crew, so 4 double cabins and 1 crew mess in the bow. Everything pretty much on the boat it's handmade. It's all mahogany topsides with teak decks. All the interior is also mahogany with a satin varnish. Ilios the last 4 years has been my passion in every kind of manner, from how she sails to the maintenance to the people that own her that are really loving her as well and feeling the freedom of sailing. And I think that's the biggest thing that inspires me on the boat, the freedom and searching for the sun, like the name of it.